अनीता ठाकुर, आदित्य प्रकाश जलान सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर में भूगोल विषय की आचार्य हूँ। मेरे द्वारा आज भैया बहनों के माध्यम से कुछ आइडिया को प्रस्तुत किया गया है। हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से आग्रह है कि हमारे बच्चों के इस आइडिया को पहल करने का कोशिश करें। धन्यवाद।
I am Adashwati, a student of class 9 from Aditya Prakash Jalan Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Kolkata. And thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me by our government to talk on the really good topic of Vocal for Local, a cause that we can raise for the locals. Vocal for Local is an initiative of our government to promote local handicraft skills, products and many other things that are being crafted by our own population. Are many traditional parts of our culture which are being promoted by many people, which are being sold locally, and to promote them we are launching this initiative of Local for Vocal. Now see this. This is a bamboo craft made from bamboo and it is totally handmade. It's durable and it is really long lasting. This can replace plastic easily. This is a really good example of Indian handicraft. This is Indian product. Now, Vocal for Local is an initiative that has already boosted our economy adversely and it is continuing to boost our economy. But the thing is, there are more things that can be done for the locals. Can you please give me some? See, Lokra art is one of the part of Indian culture. It is a hollow metal casting technique in which artisans use beeswax to mold and then melt it to hollow cast metal. It is an art form of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh in which they make really different statues. Now, many artisans have got international market due to the vocal for local, but still many artists are struggling to sell them because they don't have that kind of market in international level. The thing our government can do for this is they can make public auctions and public exhibition in every state and part of India so that more and more people get to know about Lokra and such another arts. Now, next time, in this we know about Madhubani. Now, Madhubani painting is a painting of Bihar from the Madhuban region. This is a really beautiful painting done by the artisans with vibrant colors and beautiful initiatives of plants, animals, floral designs and human designs. In this generation when everyone is loving a modern art which just spill paint and you need multiple captions to understand what's the meaning, this can change our way of looking to art. Madhubani is India's culture and tradition. This can be replaced by many other things, but we do not have to replace it. This is India's art, so we can promote it. Our government can launch initiatives such as websites for the artisans so that they can promote their home and make auctions locally so that more and more people know about it. Madhubani art can also be portrayed as graffitis in the streets so that the aestheticity of India can also be improved. Many people love Madhubani art, but it is only regional. We need to make it national. And there are multiple art forms in India. We have just talked about two of them, but there is khadi, bamboo craft, many paintings, dhokla, and bamboo hats. Many of them are not known to the young generation, but the most thing we can do is to popularize them by initiatives of ads and many products which are being sold online. The packaging can also be decorated so that people can know about it, and also they can get a special tag of authenticity and many QR code which will make the customer who are buying them know that what else they can purchase. So with help of that, the last thing I would like to say is that India has so many cultures. It is our initiative to make our Desh Swadesh so that we can totally get ourselves reliant on ourselves, no need for labor. And already Vocal for Local has decreased the demand of import from foreign so that we can perform our own functions by our own selves. And that's that we are boosting our economy and we are promoting our culture. Thank you so much.